Hey guys, let's see how to view a Cinnado D1 camera on TV. It's super simple and there are different ways to do it. The first one is just to use Alexa, so you can ask Alexa to display the image on TV. Just like I have here, I have, for example, the Cinnado D1 camera and here an Echo Show. If it works with the Echo Show, it's going to work with my TV as well. If I have a Fire TV, for example, Alexa is there, I just need to ask Alexa to show the image of the camera, right? So here right now you see that I have my app working with the Cinnado D1 camera already. That's the first step to go. So if I just move my hand here in front of the camera, you see that's working, all right? And then I just need to make it work with Alexa as well. So here I'm using this app. Just if you don't know what I'm using here, that's the app that works with the Cinnado D1 camera. And then here I can just come to Alexa and use the same skill to make it work, right? So you just come here, open your Alexa app, come here to skills and games, and from here you're gonna look this same skill for the camera. That's named Wansview. So just get this one and you enable this skill, right? Mine is already enabled here. The first time that you see it, there's a button to enable. Just click the button and then you give your email and password to link the accounts and you're good to go, right? And then it's gonna be available here to show on any Alexa device. I can show all my cameras here if I want to. Let's say, for example, I wanna see all my cameras here on the screen and select the one that I want. If I don't remember the name of the camera, for example, I can just come here and say, Alexa, show my cameras.
Okay.
Then she's gonna bring my cameras here. Let me just bring the volume down. There we go. You see all my cameras that are available here. I can just select this one and I'm good to go. Or if I just remember the name of the camera, I can call by the name, right? So there you go. It's working here. There's a little bit of delay, but it works. Then you can just come to your TV and ask your TV, your Fire TV, for example, to show the camera and you're good to go, okay? That's the first way to do it. The second way is just to use an app. So there's the TinyCam app on your TV. You can just download from the Amazon store and make it work with your TV as well. But before doing that, you just need to come here to the camera app and enable something, right? So let me just come here, see that I have the camera already working. And then I just need to come here to the settings. And here you see that I have advanced settings, local application. Local application, that's the one. And here is the ONVIF. This is a universal protocol that works with security cameras. So here's off. I just need to come here and enable the ONVIF protocol, okay? And verification is also enabled, which means it's going to use a local account on your camera, not your regular cloud account, but a local account, right? You just save here, then you just come here to the local account, and here you just need to create a username and a password, right? So here I'm gonna use this username, admin, and any password that you want to use here. I will just use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just to make it simple. Oops, there we go, 6, and save, okay? Now I'm coming to my TV to enable the Tiny app there, or to have the Tiny app there working with my Cinnado camera. Okay, now I have here my Fire TV, so I just need to come here to look for the app. Here on Find, and then Search. Just enter the name of the app here so you can find and install on your Fire TV. The name is TinyCam Pro. So just enter here TinyCam. You see that you have TinyCam Pro and TinyCam Monitor Pro. Just select this one and you need to install it. You see that I have here. Mine is already installed. There is a cost for this one, right? Then here on the top you see manage cameras, and on the right side to find cameras. So I'm gonna search for cameras and I can just click the scan button there and it's gonna look for the cameras available in the network. You see that found my D1 camera already. That's the Cinnado D1. And then what I have to do is just select the one that I want, in this case the Cinnado D1, and add the camera. Okay, so I just come here to this button to add the camera. It's one camera added already. Then I just come back here to the top to this menu, and I can manage the camera. See here the name of the app, TinyCam Monitor Pro. And then I come to manage cameras, and here I can just select the camera on the right side here and edit, right? And now I just need to come here, just change the camera name if I want to, or then I come down, leave everything the way it is, ONVIF protocol, profile as, everything the way it is. I only need to change here the username. Remember that I created this local username in the camera. It's not the camera account, it's not your email, it's the local account. Okay, so I'm going to insert here admin. That's the name that I put there. And then next here. Okay, and then the password. So I come down here and I'm going to insert here the password, right? Remember that I put a easy password there from 126. Hit next. Okay, and then I come up and see here the camera status looks good. You see that I have an OK there, so it's looking good. Then I just come down, come back, sorry, manage cameras and live view. So it's gonna load my camera here, just need to wait for a while. And there we go, it's working. Then I can even use some features here like the PTZ. So I can use the remote control and control the camera from here. Right? So super simple. And it's working. Okay? So basically that's the way you can have your Cinnado D1 camera working on TV. You either use Alexa or you can just use this app, right? You can also come here and ask Alexa to show on my TV.